How Zelle to PayPal transfers work.
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to talk about transferring money from Zelle to PayPal. This is a common query, and understanding the process can save you some time and anxiety. Let's dive into the details.
What is Zelle?
Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send money directly between almost any bank accounts in the US. Typically, transfers with Zelle are instantaneous, ensuring that the recipient gets the money in no time.
How about PayPal?
PayPal, on the other hand, is an online payment system offering secure transactions for both personal and business use. It's widespread globally and is used for various transactions, from online shopping to money transfers.
Can I directly transfer from Zelle to PayPal?
This is where things get a bit tricky. As of my last update in 2021, Zelle and PayPal are separate systems, and there isn't a direct integration between them. This means you cannot send money directly from Zelle to a PayPal account.
So, how can I transfer money?
If you want to move money from your Zelle account to PayPal, 1. Transfer from Zelle to your linked bank account. Initiate a transfer from Zelle to the bank account linked with it. This can be instantaneous or take up to a few minutes, depending on your bank. 2. Transfer from bank account to PayPal. Once the money is in your bank account, you can then transfer it to your linked PayPal account. This may take several minutes to a few days, depending on your bank and PayPal's processing times. The total time will be the sum of the time taken in both these steps. To wrap up, while there isn't a direct way to transfer money from Zelle to PayPal, you can do it in 2 steps through your bank account. Always keep an eye on processing times, and make sure to plan ahead if you need the money urgently. We hope this video was informative, and thank you for watching.